How to fix Snapchat video call not working iPhone. First is by opening your settings app and then scroll down to the bottommost part until you can see the apps section. Once you're in the apps section, look for Snapchat, click on that one, and make sure to turn on the camera and microphone access. So to turn on the camera and microphone access, make sure to click on the toggle button and it should turn into green and not gray. So you can also turn it off and turn it back on, and you should try opening Snapchat and try video call once again. If the problem still continues, then go ahead into your app store, search for Snapchat, and then make sure to update your Snapchat to the latest update by clicking on update right here and then wait for it to load. And then there you go. That's how you can fix Snapchat video call not working iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.